Good day everyone, we are here to talk about Panglao Tropical Villas.
In this video, we will share the organization, impacts of tourism, trends, issues, and our recommendations.
Panglao Tropical Villas is a private resort. It is located in Panglao, Bohol, Philippines.
This resort has workers like front desk staff, cleaners, cooks, and security guards. Everyone has a job.
The mission of the resort is to make guests feel comfortable, safe, and happy.
The resort offers rooms, a swimming pool, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, and tour services.
This resort helps tourism by giving tourists a place to stay.
It also helps local people by giving them jobs.
Tourism helps Panglao Tropical Villas earn money.
It creates jobs for local people. It also helps small businesses.
This resort pays taxes to the government.
This helps improve services in the community.
Tourism helps people share culture and traditions.
The community joins festivals and activities.
People learn new skills and meet people from the other places.
Tourism can create trash problems.
There can be pollution if waste is not managed well.
The resort helps protect nature by saving water and electricity.
The increase in tourists brought more money but also created waste problems. Many guests now book online using phones and computers.
The resort is trying to be eco-friendly and reduce plastic.
Sometimes, too many tourists visit and the place gets crowded.
The resort follows health and safety rules to keep guests safe. Online booking has changed how guests communicate with the resort.
We recommend using more eco-friendly products.
We recommend improving waste management.
The resort should use more technology for easy booking.
Staff should get more training for better service. Protect nature and give better experience to guests. Thank you for watching. This includes our video case study about Panglao Tropical Villas.